Close Rainbow Six Siege. Restart your PC console, then unplug your router and modem for 30 seconds and plug them back in. Step 2. Reopen the game and try again. Launch Siege and start matchmaking again. Sometimes the error fixes itself after a fresh session. Step 3. Check your internet connection. Use a wired Ethernet connection if possible. Make sure your internet is stable and not switching networks. Step 4. Check NAT type. Open the game's network settings and confirm your NAT type is open. If it's moderate or strict, matchmaking often fails. Step 5. Enable UPnP on your router. Log into your router settings and turn UPnP on. If it's already on, turn it off, restart the router, and turn it on again. Step 6. Turn off VPN or proxy. Disable any VPN, proxy, or tunneling app before launching the game. Step 7. Verify game files PC only. Open Steam or Ubisoft Connect, Rainbow Six Siege, properties, verify game files. Step 8. Change DNS, optional but helpful. Set DNS to 8.88.8, 8.8.4.4, or 1.1.1, 1.0.1. Restart your system after changing. Step 9. Console fix, if applicable. Go to Game Settings, turn Crossplay off, restart game, turn Crossplay on. Step 10. Check server status. If Siege servers are under maintenance or having issues, wait and try later. Step 11. Contact support if it still fails. If the error continues after all steps, contact Ubisoft support and give them your exact error code. If you want, I can format this into a